Hello guys! In this video, I'll show you how to create and manage the collection in ShopFunnels. Let's start. This is my admin login page. Using my email ID and password, I will now log in. And now you can see here, this is my ShopFunnels dashboard. For the collection, on the sidebar menu, click on the Product tab, and then click Collections. Then choose your store. So I'll just choose this one. And after that, you can see I have a lot of collections here. So if you want to create a new collection, what you'll need to do is just click here on Add Collection. And after that, you need to add a collection title. You can add any suitable name. And now you have to select the collection page. And after that, you can write any description here. Now let's move on here on the collection type. It means the collection that you have. You can choose between manual, where you need to select the product manually, one by one, or automated. Let me first show you the manual option. I have just selected the manual here. And here you need to select your product. You can just search the name of your product and select it from here. Or you can just click here on the Browse button. And the same pop-up will show where you can select your product. For example, I want to select these products here. If you have a lot of products in your collection, you can view the next page right here. After that, click here, Add. And you can see the selected products here. If you want to remove the product, you can just click here. Then select the option for Sort By. Next, you have to select the collection images. You can see the minimum size here of 200 by 200 or any size you want. To add an image, click here. Select the images, or you can upload a new one. Click on Import. Also select one for the second image. Then again, click on Import. After that, just save your setup. So I have created the collection successfully, and this is the manual option. If you want to preview this collection, just click here on the preview icon. And here you can see the collection feed product. And this is the filter. So this is how you can create the manual collection. Now let me show you how to create the advanced type collections. So I'll just click here to add a collection. Add the title, select the collection page, and then add a description. Again, you can add any description here if you have. This is optional, so if you don't have any description for it, you can just leave it as it is. Now this time, the collection type. I will now choose Automated and show you how it works. For this one, you need to select the conditions. For example, here you can see a bunch of options, like you can say any product title is equal to, for example, jeans. It will only show that products which have the product title that is equal to jeans. So I have selected here product title is equal to jeans. If the product title is equal to jeans, then this collection will show that product only. You can also add here multiple conditions. I'll add here a product type is equal to traditional wear. Also, product price is greater than 100. Then select the Sort By option too. After that, you can add the image you want to add here. So for example, I've just added this image here. Then save the setup. And if I visit the page, here you can see no product is appearing. That is because we have set some conditions earlier and it didn't match. You can see here it says the conditions, that the product must match all conditions. If the product didn't match the condition, then the product will not show. If you want otherwise, then choose here any condition in the options. If I selected any conditions here and save the setup, refresh the page, and you will then see the product is appearing. Because every product price is greater than $100. You can see here $1,280. You can see here the different prices which are greater than $100. And if I now add here $1,500, then you will see the difference here. The price of the products that are showing are the $1,500. Here you can only see one product is appearing due to the product type condition, and that is the traditional wear. You can see here, I have already selected product type is equal to traditional wear. So that is why this product is appearing. So this is how you can create the collections in ShopFunnels. This is the automated collection. And that is the manual collection. Lastly, before we end, maybe you'll ask, what is the use of this image? So let me show you where you can see this image. So if you visit your store, and this is the collection page. I have created another collection page for this example. So if I visit this page, here you can see this is the collection image, which I have added here. So this is the use of the collection image. Well, I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.